Caring for budgies. Penny the budgie is about 8 years old. There she goes. She's doing a bit of squawking. She's going to perch on the tablet in a minute. She's going to fly over. There she goes. She's on the tablet now. What are you doing, Penny? Let's have a look in the mirror. There she goes. I love my budgie. We've got 2 new additions to our family now. They're called Joey and... no, they're called Sam and Missy. A green budgie and another blue budgie. Budgies should be allowed to fly around like Penny does. She's perching on the tablet again. There she goes. Me and Penny both love music, so there's music in most of my videos. Penny likes lettuce. I need to get Penny a bath so she can have a bath. I bought Penny from a place called Wildwood in Kent about 8 or 9 years ago. Budgies can live up to 15 or 16 years. Budgies don't like to be bored. They like to have things to do. They like their treats. Bought Penny a treat. There it is, can you see it? Thanks for watching this video. And please care for your budgies. They're lovely, aren't they?